If you love to read books, then the same content of this series, I for Investment, is available in a readable format. The name of the book is I for Investment: Applying Common Sense While Nurturing Your Portfolio of Stocks. Click on the below link and grab your copy today.
Welcome to your own channel, Romance with Finance, a brand of Financial Freedom Hub. On this channel, you get the videos and information related to personal finance. In the recent past video, we tried to cover up the companies which are in the business of edible oils by observing our lifestyle and daily routine. Since we eat daily, hence we use edible oil almost daily while preparing our food. The food that we order from outside is also prepared with edible oils. So as we have covered a couple of companies in the previous videos which are in the business of edible oil and food items, let's continue further and explore some more companies which are in the same line of businesses. Having diversified business is a cherry on the cake factor. Marico has a large market presence in health, wellness and cooking oil segment. Here are some more companies which are in the same line of businesses.
Patanjali Foods Limited, formerly Ruchi Soya. The company was acquired by Patanjali and has a significant share in the edible oil market, including brands like Ruchi Gold. All Agri Business Limited, formerly known as Adani Wilmar. This company produces the widely recognized Fortune brand of edible oils. Gokul Agro Resources Limited. The company is involved in refining and trading various edible oils such as mustard, soybean, and palm oil. Agrotech Foods Limited. This company operates in the food and edible oil business, which includes the Sundrop brand. Modi Naturals Limited, involved in the production and marketing of various edible oils. Gokul Ref Oils and Solvent Limited, another key player in the refining and solvent extraction of edible oils. Gujarat Ambuja Exports Limited, engaged in the agro-processing business, including edible oils.
The companies that we have identified, out of those companies, some companies are in the business of edible oils and some have diversified business including edible oils and other stuff. Apart from cooking oil, these companies are also involved in the businesses of pickles, cooking paste of ginger, onion, garlic and other type of food processing products. Therefore, as an investor, you should not ignore the diversification element, which we have already discussed in our previous videos. As we could figure out a lot of companies by analyzing our lifestyle and our daily routine, so the question arises in which company we should invest by purchasing the stocks. Because it can happen that one company is performing positively and another company might perform negatively due to numerous reasons. Therefore, in order to eliminate that confusion, we as an investor can buy the entire index or the index funds. Similarly, as we bought the basket of the fruits to get all type of nutritions, index fund is like a basket of all the good stocks which is traded on the stock exchange similar to the individual stocks. Hope this video was useful to you and you have learned something today. If yes, then